Got right here very unique switch cover for your plug, but it only works for one of those that sticks out switches. This is so cool. Look at these gears. You got 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. The big one over here. So to turn it off and on, it's points, there's error, and then you twist it on off and then twist it this way on off. So let's install it and see if it's actually going to work really smooth, just like it's intended, not plugged in or like installed. So just got 2 screws, just like on my other plate with gears. You see how this one is just white and ugly, very boring, nothing special about it. Okay, obviously don't put it upside down, it has to go this way. Oh, let's make sure we keep it on, off. Wow, so far it's working. Check this out. Now let's plug it in. I'm gonna keep it on. This is so cool. This is probably my favorite one so far. They make a whole bunch of them. Let's see if the screw will be in the way of the gear. Kind of worried about that a little bit. Hopefully not. Yeah, it goes in pretty deep in there, so I don't think it'll be a problem. We're gonna install the second one. This makes this a wall and switch so much cooler than just white switch. Okay, this is on and off. Definitely not as easy to just flip the switch. Also now you cannot flip it regularly. Now you actually have to move it. I wouldn't just crack it too hard because it's made from wood. All of these pieces like a small wood. So I would just turn it on and off kind of like carefully, slowly. This is so cool. It says copyrighted in 2015. So it was created in 2015. So cool. I love this. Look at all this gear spinning to turn off the light and to turn on the light. I love it. Quite nice. And look how easy it is to install and uninstall. Just move it and just take it out, this screw, the top one and bottom one, and it's easy. If you don't like it anymore here, if you got bored with it, you can install a different one. There you go. Just take it out and just plug in the old one. That's it. How simple is that? I really like that little plug. Very unique. Makes your wall look so much better.